Force Gurkha from Force Motors has traditionally been a blue-blooded off-roader, and the 2020 version continues with that legacy. The 2023 Force Motors Gurkha shown at the Auto Expo continues to be powered by the trusted 2.6-litre diesel engine, which now gets a BS6 certification. The existing BS4 engines available till March 31st, 2020 include a 2.2-litre diesel engine that churns out a maximum output of 140 HP at around 3,800 RPM and a peak torque of 321 Newton meters at around 1,600 to 2,400 RPM. In the BS4 version, there is also a 2.6-litre engine which churns out 85 HP and a peak torque of 230 Newton meters at around 1400 to 2400 RPM. All that has now changed, and now there is no 2.2-litre engine and there is only one 2.6-litre diesel engine that is BS6 certified. With this engine, there are two output options: a 90 HP 250 Newton meter torque and another 114 HP 350 Newton meter torque. It is obvious that the 5-door gets the one with 90 HP while the 3-door gets an option of 114 HP engine. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. There have been subtle changes in the new version. The front gets a new grille, new LED headlamps, and as one moves to the rear, you get to see a new bumper and a redesigned tail lamp. The interior now comes with a touchscreen infotainment system and a multi-information display near the speedometer. The vehicle also gets dual airbags, ABS and rear parking sensors. The 3-door featured here has a wheelbase of 2400 mm. The overall length is 3992 mm, width is 1820 mm and height is 2075 mm. The front overhang is 735 mm. The vehicle has a GVW of 2510 kgs and a fuel tank capacity of 63.5 liters. The Gurkha breathes through a snorkel mounted at roof height of the vehicle that ensures ample supply of clean air to the engine, ensuring superior combustion and lower strain on the air cleaning system. The snorkel also gives Gurkha a high water wading ability of up to 550 mm.